Just removed the cylinder head on this 4.6. And look at all the stuff that's in there. What the hell is all this? Look at this. It's like it looks like concrete on it, but no, it's not. It's probably, I wonder if it's like when the aluminum oxidizes. Might be what it is. Are those leaves in there too?
Yeah.
Wow, that's insane. That's crazy. That would definitely ruin the engine for sure. It might already be ruined, but I would have definitely messed it up if I started the engine like this with all that in there. Shoot, that's crazy. Slight little scratch on that one right there. This one's got a little scratch too. This is a 4.6 2 valve. Probably gonna rebuild it. Still got some cross hatching. This is a piston ring out of a 4.6 2 valve Ford engine of a 96 Mustang GT. And that bottom oil ring is stuck. These are fine. I soaked the piston in gasoline overnight. And that bottom one is stuck. It will not spin at all. I'm trying my hardest. It's barely moving. It's really dirty up in there. I'm going to be removing it and cleaning it. This engine was smoking a lot. Burning a lot of oil. There's the top ring. It's got that dot right there. So I got the top piston rings off. As you can see inside of there, there's carbon in there, carbon buildup inside there. And clean that up. Just very lightly go in there with this little pick, or you could do it with a small flathead. Go in there all around. And I'm gonna, before this piston is really hard to move this way and that way. And now it's easier since I soaked it in gasoline. But of course you need some lubrication because I heated it up with the torch just to burn all the gasoline off real fast. dirty that is. It's crazy. It will not budge. Try not to scratch the piston. Got the bottom one out. You can see how dirty it was. I don't know if that's like rust or what, but you see all that stuff on there. It's got the print of the oil ring. See that? Now it spins. Now I'm going to remove the top one. Here's the top one. Go all the way around. Bam, there's the top one. Now we're going to take this out. This thing is super dirty. They are all like this. It's crazy. I think the other one I cleaned up was a little worse than this, but this one's still really bad. Heating it up with the torch, just burning the gasoline off, because I had it soaking overnight in gasoline. It really did a good job loosening all the stuff off, so now it just comes off, it just flakes off, really powdery, all the carbon buildup. Alright, I got the piston rings cleaned up. I'm still going to spray some carb cleaner on them and stuff like that. Blow them out with the air compressor. But now, as you can see, spin really easily. Everything's clean, everything spins nice. That's what you want.